Dumb shit like this are things people cut out of videos. I.e., now I need to find washers to put on this bolt. They've always been around, but now that I need them, you can't find washers that fit anywhere. I guarantee if I decide to clean this place out, I'm gonna have all sorts of fucking washers that serve no purpose. However, give me a moment. And none of this is made better by it being as hot as shit. Test this. Good afternoon, fellow patriots and defenders of democracy. Welcome to the madness, and welcome to another hot day in Georgia, or below the Mason-Dixon line. I'm alive and sweating mysteriously. I was not involved with any of the looting, protesting, slash looting, slash burning of anything. However, if you, as a part of this revolution, find it within you to acquire a 6.0 or a 6.2, I'm willing to get it for $5.99. And don't get fancy with the commas either. But anyway, I'm not here to talk to you about any of that shit, man. So, here we are with things that I know nothing about. I'm a little bit apprehensive to go on about and mess with this because, you know, like I said, I know nothing about it. So, here we are. What's going on? One, I'm sweating like the first triathletes of the years in America's four-way. It's okay. And for the most part, I don't have any idea where any of these shits go. It's like, what is this? In theory, this is a 5.3. In theory. However, people lie. And they take advantage of people who don't know any better. So, next go around, I am going to pull this shit off, and then you'll see if I was made a sucker or if it didn't happen. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this either. It's bouncy. What I can tell you is this shit is filthy. One. Two, we can resort back to the first thing where I'm telling you that I don't know anything about these shits. So, that's always a fun thing. We're all gonna learn together, or you can just hang out and make fun of me while I mess some shit up. Things I will be doing today, though, showing you exactly what's going on. Well, I took off the starter earlier. I'm gonna take off the alternator, and I'm going to go test them to see if they actually work, because I have trust issues, and people are not to be trusted. Unfortunately, you can't do the same things for coils, or I definitely do that shit too. However, as we're going to progress and go forward here, we're still battling the continuous good man's fight against the communist fucking HOA. So, you know, we'll see how that all plays out within the trying to allocate how we knock this out. The good folks over in Wuhan, China. My bad. It's hot. I apologize. Don't hold against me. Let me show you what I got. They send all the bits that need to be welded in to replace all the things, floor, corners, and what have you. Oh yes. Underneath all of this crap is a 4.8. Where's the numbers? Son of a bitch. Hopefully you can see the 4.8 is here, and yeah. Once again, don't know nothing about it, but it's a rare end somebody decided to chop this off. That's gonna be entertaining to deal with. So that's there. I'm gonna need one of these because as I got it, and as they're looking into it, there's rust in the hole. Fire in the holes, boys. Rust. What else am I supposed to show you? I have all the seals. I have all the seals for the door and windows. And hold on. Hold on. Oh yes, we're making a walk. Back over here. These are the doors. I didn't unbox them yet, so in the event when we do unbox them, some shit is awry. We both get to sit here and curse Summit for their bullshit. Shit. It's hot. Yep. That's pretty much what's going on. Oh. So yeah, we have stuff, boys. And we're gonna be throwing out a couple of these things till we use up all the parts we have and all the items. But as we try to get the camera to act like it has some sense, if you can't be good, be careful. Until next time. All this goddamn oil. Look at all this oil. And this shit is heavy as hell. How do y'all deal with this shit? I don't think the 2J was anywhere near as heavy as this. And I'll talk to y'all later.